Here are the directions on how to play Dotty Arrays. The materials you will need include a long piece of paper, a pencil, 2 decahedral dice, and a dot marker. You're going to take your paper and put your name on it. You're going to fold it once in half. Then unfold it. And I would suggest that you write or draw a line down the middle here, flip it over, and draw a line here. This gives you 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to work with. You're going to make an array by rolling the dice. So first I'm going to roll my dice, and I have 2 and 9. So I'm going to write on my first box 2 times 9 equals, and I have to find that answer. First off, when we do arrays, this is how many rows you're going to make of 9. So you can do it one of 2 ways. I'll show you both. First off, I could do 1, 2 to represent where my rows start, and then each row needs 9. I already have my first one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's one row of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's my second row of 9. It's okay if it goes over the line a little bit. So this is going to be labeled with a 2 because there are 1, 2 rows. I'm going to put a times sign here so I remember I go this way, 2 times 9. I'd also like for you to do your count by. You can do this in different ways, but you can go count by ones, or I know that this is 9, and then 9 more is 18. That's my count by. When you do a count by, it's helpful because the last number you write is actually your answer. So there are 18 total dots here, so 2 times 9 is 18. Alright, I'm going to do one more example for you. This time it's going to go over on this side. So I'll roll my dice again. I have 2 times 6. If you want to turn it around and do 6 times 2, that's fine, but whatever your array is, it has to match your problem. So 6 times 2 equals, that's what I'm figuring out. So remember over here, I started with 1, 2 dots to start my array. On this side, I'm going to do it a little bit differently, and you get to pick which way works best for your brain. This is 6 rows of 2. So I can go 1, 2, that's 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows, 6 rows. So you can make them by your rows if you'd like. Now we have to label our array. This is 6 times 2. I'm going to do my count by. When you do your count by, you go by your rows. So I have 1, 2, 4, 6. Remember, this is how many you have counted so far. There are 6 here altogether, but we got to do the whole thing. 8, 10, 12. So there's 12 dots. 6 times 2 is 12. Then you turn over your paper and you do it again. Keep in mind that these might be a little wet still, so make sure that they're dry before you flip it over so you don't spread any ink on your desk or wherever you're working at. So you'll do another one here and another one here. If you'd like to do more, you can get another piece of paper, but you have to do at least 4 arrays to do the Dotty Arrays. Good luck!